In my session, I talk about the brain science of frustration. And we carry a lot of frustration. And a lot of times it manifests in a lot of physical ailments, sometimes mental anguish. And we get frustration because someone has wronged us or we've had some unmet expectation. And we hope that they will acknowledge it, the other person will acknowledge it, and we carry this burden hoping that it will help them acknowledge it, and they usually don't. And what I start to realize is that if we can learn to understand where that frustration is coming from, understand why that behavior happened, we can relieve ourselves of the frustration and then start the work of connecting with other humans. The best advice I have for HR leaders is one, realize you're not doing this alone. And two, stay curious. If we can just stay curious, understand why people do what they do, we carry less frustration, we carry less burden, and we can do the work that we're meant to do, which is making humans treat humans like humans. Making work feel human is the goal of HR, and a lot of times we get into a spot where we want to talk, we want to tell, but the most important thing we can do to make other people feel human is listen. Understand what they've got going on, make them feel heard. Recognition is one of the most important things that we can do because we are, as a society, the most lonely that we've ever been before. And when someone recognizes something that we do, it makes us feel seen. And we are craving being seen. And so when you have the opportunity to tell someone they've done something well or something you appreciate, it makes them feel seen for something small, something big, and it makes them feel more human.